Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this expert van in the professional specification. The back of the van is ply lined and you get a sliding side door on each side. In the front you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get air conditioning, cruise control and reverse parking sensors. So let's have a look around. This van is one of our former demonstrators and it's done less than 1,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.